Hello students, let us discuss about instruction classification. What is instruction? Instruction is just a binary pattern designed inside a microprocessor to perform a specific function. The entire group of instructions called instruction set that determines what functions the microprocessor can perform. The 8085 microprocessor includes the instruction set of the predecessor, the 8085A plus 2 additional instructions. Now let us study about the 8085 instruction set. To study 8085 instruction set, the 8085 instructions can be classified into the following 5 functional categories. First, data transfer, copy operations, arithmetic operations, logical operations, branching operations, and finally machine control operations. First, let us talk about data transfer, that is copy operation. This group of instructions copies data from a location called a source to another location that we call as a destination without modifying the content of the source. In technical manuals, the term data transfer is used for this copying function. However, the term transfer is misleading. It creates the impression that the content of the source are destroyed when in fact the content are retained without any modification. The various types of data transfer, that is copy instructions, are listed below with examples of each type. Between register, we can copy the content of register B into register D. Specific data byte to register or memory location. We can load register B with data byte as 32H. 32H is external data byte and we have to load it into register B. Between memory location and register. From the memory location, that is 200H. 200H represent memory address. The data is stored at this memory address and it is loaded into register B. Between an input-output device and the accumulator, from input keyboard to accumulator. Now let us talk about arithmetic operations. These instructions perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, increment and decrement. Addition. Any 8-bit number or content of a register, content of any register or the content of memory location can be added to the content of the accumulator and the sum is stored in the accumulator. No two other 8-bit register can be added directly. Example, the content of register B cannot be added directly to the content of the register C. The instruction DAD is an exception. It adds 16-bit data directly in register pairs. What does it mean? In addition, we must have first number in the accumulator. Subtraction. Any 8-bit number or the content of the register or the content of memory location can be subtracted from the content of the accumulator and the result is stored in the accumulator. The subtraction is performed in 2's complement and the result, if negative, it is expressed in 2's complement. No two other registers can be subtracted directly. Increment, decrement. The 8-bit content of a register or a memory location can be incremented or decremented by 1. Similarly, the content, that is the 16-bit content of a register pair such as BC can be incremented or decremented by 1. These increment and decrement operations differ from addition and subtraction in an important way. That is, they can be performed in any one of registers or in a memory location. Logical operations. These instructions perform various logical operations with the content of the accumulator. And, or, exclusive or. Any 8-bit number or the content of a register or of a memory location can be logically ANDed or exclusive or with the content of the accumulator. The results are stored in the accumulator. Rotate. Each bit in the accumulator can be shifted either left or right to the next position. Compare. Any 8-bit number or the content of register or a memory location can be compared for equality greater than or less than with the content of the accumulator. Complement. The content of the accumulator can be complemented